Once upon a time, in a beautiful kingdom surrounded by meadows and sparkling rivers, lived a kind and curious young princess named Alaina. Her dearest companion was a fluffy white cat named Bella who followed her everywhere. One sunny morning, Princess Alaina decided to visit a place she had never been before. A flower field said to be filled with butterflies and glowing stones. With excitement in her heart, she placed Bella in her basket and crossed the old wooden bridge that led to the other side of the river. But as the wind grew stronger, Bella grew restless. She leaped from the basket and onto the edge of the bridge. Suddenly, splash! Bella slipped and fell into the rushing water below. Bella cried, Princess Alaina leaning over the side of the bridge in panic. The water was vast, and Bella struggled to keep her little head above the waves. Alaina wanted to jump in, but the river was too deep and wild. What can I do? She whispered, tears welling in her eyes. Just then, something happened. Three silver dolphins leaped out of the water near Bella. They circled the little cat, guiding her gently toward the river bank. One dolphin even let Bella clip on its back. In moments, Bella was safely brought to shore, wet but unharmed. Alaina rushed to her cat and held her tightly. Thank you, kind dolphins, she said with wonder. The dolphins chirped joyfully before diving back into the river's depths. From that day on, Princess Alaina always took extra care crossing the bridge and never forgot the dolphins who helped when she could not. And as for Bella, she never tried to walk on the edge of the bridge again. Moral of the story: sometimes, even when we can't help, kindness finds a way.